Hey, welcome to this Literacy Shared Adobe Express challenge. In this tutorial, we're going to create our own character profile using design assets and artificial intelligence. If you need free Adobe Express for Education accounts for your school, visit the link on screen, and there you'll also find all the other free things we do for schools like live lessons, teacher training and lesson packs. Let's get on with the challenge. Go over to the top left, press the plus. I'm going to go down to flyer here. Give this project a name. I think I'll just call it character. And then the first thing I'm going to do is go over to elements, go to backgrounds and search for gradient. Okay, lots of cool things here. I think I'll choose something like this. Okay, next up I'm going to go to text. My character is called Lisa Lachenko. I know the fonts I want to use, but you can go into your recommended fonts and choose one from there if you like. But the one I want is called Copal, and I want the solid version. Now what I want is I want the fill color to be white, and then I want the outline to be black. There we go, nice. And I think I'll force this onto 2 lines. Just by moving, there we go, and then I'll justify it to the left, there we go, and just bring it up a little bit. Okay, there's my title, that's the name of my character. Now that we've done that, let's start putting in things like a picture of our character. Now this is really cool. You can go to media, text to image. I'm going to go for a portrait because I'm going to go for a person. The more detail you put in, the better. There we go, let's hit return. It's going to generate some results for me. I've chosen graphic as my content type. Let's see what it comes up with. Great. I think this third one here is going to be amazing. So now that I've selected it, I'm going to make it a bit bigger. And also what I'm going to do is deselect, select again, remove background. I just want the character on her own. That is perfect. Then we're going to bring it back over here. Pop it in the corner here. Now you'll see that the character is actually in front of the text. I don't want that, so I want to grab my text layer on the right hand side here and just pop it up over the top like that. Perfect. Hey, I hope you're having fun so far. Teachers, if you'd like a PDF mapping this activity to the NCCE Teach Computing curriculum, follow the link that's on screen now. Okay, back to the challenge. Now we have our text. I'm going to press the 3 buttons and duplicate it because I want to keep this style for a couple of sections. Skills, and I just want to make this like a subheading, so I'll bring this down in terms of size. Make sure it's aligned to the left there, and once that's done, I will duplicate again, bring it down, and this time it's going to be experience. Okay, I might need to just open up that box a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Now that I've got my sections, I'm going to go over to elements here. Going to search in design assets for all the things I need. So the first one is going to be helicopter. She's a stunt helicopter pilot. So let's grab that, put it in. It doesn't matter where these go. You just need to have space so you can put things, put some text around it. She's also an advanced first aider. So let's get one of these in there. And also she's a competent fisherwoman. So let's get a big fish. Great. Okay. I'm going to do the same underneath as well. Okay, now you've got your bits in there. If you need to change any colors, go down to effects. I'll change this one to that kind of bluey greeny color there, which is great. And the last thing we need to do here is put in some text. So go over to text over here, add your text. And this time I'm going to do it slightly differently because I want it to be different from the other text. I've got this one called Re-Ross, which is pretty cool. And I'm going to use that. And I just need to bring the size down and pop it next to the relevant image, changing the angle if I want to. Once I've done one, I can press the 3 little dots and press duplicate, and all I need to do is change the text. If you want to jazz it up just a little bit more, go to something like elements and look for things like a spin icon. You go down here, change the color of that to white to match the text, and then you can also pop that behind your character. Click the 3 buttons, send it to the back, and there you go. Click share, You can add in people's emails if you want them to collaborate on this project, otherwise send it to Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, or create a view-only link that you can share with whoever you like. And that's how you create a character profile using Adobe Express.